Hello guys, welcome to Tech Teachers. In previous video, we had seen Hope is the Thing with Feathers poem warming up. Today we are gonna see workshop of this poem. If you are interested knowing the translation and warming up of this poem, check out the link given below in the description. Well, let's start with the first question. Match the following. Look what do we have here. Group A and Group B. It's very simple. You have to match the words given in Group A to the Group B. See, it's very simple. Just a piece of cake. Okay, jokes apart. Let's see what do we have here. In Group A, we have Hope, Gales, Storm, Keep Warm, Chilliest Land, and a Crumb. And in Group B, we have difficulties and problems, toughest time in life, a very small bite, a nest in tree, provide comfort, and at last bird. Yeah, I know you didn't understand what I said. First, make sure you have a textbook in front of you. Come on, hurry up, grab your books and sit back. Let's match the columns. First, Hope. What do you think? I will give you 5 seconds to guess the answer. Okay, you will be punished. Nah, just kidding. Okay, time starts now. The answer bird. Yeah, I know you can relate the answer. If you don't, just comment below. We will let you know. Okay, let's move on. Second, gale or storm. You have 5 seconds. Yes, you guessed it. Right, toughest time in life. Next one, keep warm. Okay, the answer is provide comfort. If you are walking in a stormy night, winds blowing, and if I provided you a blanket or a warm thing, then what did you got? You have some satisfaction. That's comfort. Okay, next, chilliest land. Difficulties and problems. And finally, a crumb, a very small bite. Moving on the next question. Use proper form of verb in each line. Hope is the thing with feathers that perch in the soul. Wait a minute. Does that sounds right? Feathers that perch in the soul? No, it must be perches that perches in the soul. And sing the tune without the words. Wait again. It must be sings and sings the tune without the words. And never stop at all. Stop? No, it must be stops. And never stops at all. Now we will see the next question. Read the examples and fill in the blanks in the same pattern. Here are A, B and C are given. We will start from A. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. Low, lower, lowest. Great, greater, greatest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Warm, warmer, warmest. And last one, cold, colder, coldest. Now we will see B. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, closest. Wise, wiser, wisest. And last C. Nasty, nastier, nastiest. Hungry, hungrier, hungriest. Angry, angrier, angriest. And last, naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. We hope you understood and learned from this video. In further video, we will see the remaining question and answers. If you did, just hit the like button, share and also don't forget to press the subscribe button. If you want to learn in interesting way, that's all. Now you can enjoy your day. Thank you.